Devo Security Data Platform Online Training. Unlocking Insights: How Devo Security Data Platform Enhances Threat Detection. The Devo Security Data Platform is a comprehensive solution designed to enhance threat detection and response capabilities for modern enterprises. Its strength lies in its ability to provide real-time analytics and deep visibility into security events across an organization. Here's how it unlocks insights and elevates threat detection. 1. Unified data ingestion and scalability. Broad data integration. Devo aggregates data from multiple sources, including logs, metrics, and network data, enabling a holistic view of the threat landscape. High ingestion rates. The platform can handle multi-terabyte ingestion per day, ensuring scalability for large enterprises and cloud environments. 2. Real-time threat detection. Streaming analytics. Devo processes data in real time, identifying threats as they occur rather than relying on delayed analysis. Advanced correlation rules. Correlates diverse data streams to detect complex attack patterns that may go unnoticed in siloed systems. 3. AI-driven insights. Machine learning models uses advanced AI to detect anomalies and predict potential breaches based on historical and contextual data. Behavioral analytics identifies unusual user or system behavior, often indicative of insider threats or compromised credentials. 4. Interactive visualizations and dashboards. Customizable dashboards. Security teams can build dashboards tailored to their specific needs, providing actionable insights at a glance. Visualize threat context. Graph-based visualizations help in understanding the relationships between entities, simplifying the investigation process. 5. Comprehensive threat intelligence. Integration with threat feeds combines internal data with external threat intelligence to provide context to detected threats. Indicators of compromise, IOC, management tracks known IOCs to enhance detection accuracy. 6. Streamlined incident response. SOAR integration automates response workflows, ensuring quicker remediation of identified threats. Collaboration tools enables real-time communication between teams for coordinated incident handling. 7. Compliance and governance. Audit-ready reports generates compliance-ready reports for standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Data retention policies offers flexible retention options, ensuring organizations meet regulatory requirements. Benefits for organizations. Proactive defense shifts security operations from reactive to proactive by leveraging predictive analytics. Reduced alert fatigue filters out noise and prioritizes high-risk alerts, enabling analysts to focus on critical threats. Improved ROI maximizes the value of security investments by integrating with existing tools and enhancing their capabilities. Devo Security Data Platform, revolutionizing real-time security analytics. Devo Security Data Platform, revolutionizing real-time security analytics. The Devo Security Data Platform is at the forefront of real-time security analytics, offering innovative solutions to address the ever-growing challenges of modern cybersecurity. Here's how it is revolutionizing the domain. 1. Unified data aggregation. Devo excels in ingesting vast amounts of data from diverse sources such as network logs, application events, endpoint telemetry, cloud infrastructure, and third-party tools. This comprehensive data ingestion allows organizations to break down silos and gain a unified view of their security landscape. 2. High-performance real-time analytics. With its cloud-native architecture, Devo processes and analyzes data at remarkable speeds. Its key features include streaming analytics, immediate detection of threats by analyzing data as it arrives. Scalability, handles petabytes of data without performance degradation, supporting large-scale enterprise environments. 3. Advanced threat detection. Devo leverages machine learning, ML, to detect anomalous behavior indicative of potential threats. Behavioral analytics, establishing baselines and identifying deviations for users, devices, and systems. Pre-built use cases, accelerating deployment with ready-to-use threat detection models. 4. Proactive threat hunting. The platform empowers security teams with interactive query tools, intuitive search capabilities for deep investigations, custom dashboards, visualizing data for better situational awareness, collaboration features, enhancing coordination among SOC teams. 5. Seamless integration. Devo integrates effortlessly with existing security ecosystems, including SIEM solutions, SOAR platforms, cloud-native services, AWS, Azure, GCP, APIs for custom integrations. 6. Security operations and automation. Through its automation capabilities, Devo reduces manual workloads by automating incident response, leveraging playbooks to streamline resolution, alert prioritization, ensuring critical incidents receive immediate attention, empowering SOC teams with Devo Security Data Platform's advanced features. The Devo Security Data Platform is designed to empower Security Operations Center (SOC) teams by providing advanced capabilities that enhance threat detection, investigation, and response. Here's how its advanced features contribute to SOC effectiveness. 1. Real-time data ingestion and processing. High-speed data handling. The platform ingests massive volumes of data in real time from diverse sources, including cloud environments, endpoints, and network devices. Streamlined data normalization, automatic data parsing and enrichment make logs ready for analysis, saving SOC teams time and effort. 2. Advanced threat detection. AI-powered analytics. Machine learning models identify anomalous behavior and advanced threats, such as zero-day attacks or insider threats. Customizable detection rules. SOC teams can create and modify detection rules tailored to their organization's specific needs. Threat intelligence integration. Real-time threat feeds provide context, improving the identification of malicious actors. 3. Collaborative investigation tools. Unified interface. A centralized dashboard allows SOC teams to correlate events across the enterprise efficiently. Case management. Incident details are stored in an integrated case management system, fostering seamless collaboration. Contextual insights. Enriched data and visualizations provide a complete understanding of threats. 4. Scalable architecture. Cloud-native design. Devo's architecture ensures scalability for organizations of all sizes, enabling SOCs to handle growing data demands. Elastic processing. Resources are dynamically allocated to maintain performance during peak periods. 5. Automation and orchestration. SOAR integration. Devo integrates with security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR) tools to automate repetitive tasks such as alert triage and response actions. Playbook execution. SOC teams can create and deploy automated workflows to streamline incident handling. 6. Compliance and reporting. Regulatory compliance. The platform supports compliance frameworks like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, providing pre-built reports and monitoring capabilities. Audit trails. Comprehensive logs ensure transparency and accountability in security operations. 7. Enhanced visibility and monitoring. Cross-environment insights. Unified monitoring across on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments eliminates visibility gaps. Behavioral analytics tracks user and entity behavior to detect unusual patterns indicative of potential threats. Devo Security Data Platform, the future of scalable security solutions. The Devo Security Data Platform stands as a transformative solution for modern security needs, offering scalability, real-time insights, and advanced analytics to help organizations stay ahead of evolving threats. Here's an exploration of its future as a scalable security solution. Key features driving Devo's scalability in security solutions. Cloud-native architecture. Devo is built on a cloud-native platform, enabling elastic scalability and the ability to handle massive data volumes. This ensures high performance and adaptability to growing organizational needs. Real-time data ingestion and analysis. The platform supports real-time ingestion and processing of security data, enabling organizations to identify threats and respond promptly without being bogged down by latency. Advanced analytics and AI integration. Leveraging machine learning and artificial intelligence, Devo enhances threat detection, anomaly identification, and predictive analysis, ensuring proactive security measures. Unified data management. Devo integrates data from various sources into a centralized platform, simplifying management and improving the accuracy of security insights. Its multi-tenant architecture further supports scalability across diverse teams or clients. Seamless integration with security tools. Devo's compatibility with existing CM, security information and event management systems, threat intelligence platforms, and third-party tools makes it a versatile choice for enterprises seeking enhanced functionality. The future of scalable security with Devo. Handling big data growth. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, security platforms need to manage exponentially growing data. Devo's infrastructure ensures that organizations can process and analyze terabits of data without compromising speed or efficiency. Automation-driven security operations. The platform's emphasis on automation will reduce the manual workload on security operations centers, SOCs, enabling faster triaging and incident resolution. Edge computing and IoT security. With IoT adoption on the rise, Devo's ability to secure edge devices and process data at the edge makes it critical for future security frameworks. Customizable dashboards and workflows. The demand for user-specific insights is growing. Devo's highly customizable interface allows stakeholders to tailor dashboards and workflows, enhancing usability and decision-making. Focus on compliance and governance. Devo's robust logging and auditing capabilities help organizations meet evolving compliance requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA, ensuring adherence to global regulations. From data to defense, leveraging Devo's security data platform for proactive security. From data to defense, leveraging Devo's security data platform for proactive security. The Devo Security Data Platform is a powerful solution for organizations aiming to transition from reactive security measures to a proactive defense strategy. Leveraging advanced analytics, scalability, and real-time data processing, Devo empowers organizations to harness security data effectively to protect against evolving cyber threats. Here's how Devo supports proactive security. 1. Unified data ingestion. Devo aggregates and normalizes security data from diverse sources such as network logs, endpoint devices, cloud environments, applications and user activity. This unified data stream eliminates silos and provides a single source of truth for security insights. 2. Real-time threat detection. With real-time analytics, Devo identifies threats as they emerge by monitoring for known indicators of compromise, IOCs, detecting anomalies using behavioral analytics and machine learning, leveraging threat intelligence feeds for context-driven insights. 3. Advanced analytics for incident response. Devo enhances incident response by enabling security teams to correlate events across multiple sources for comprehensive incident views. Perform detailed root cause analysis using intuitive querying and visualization tools. Automate workflows for faster remediation. 4. Proactive threat hunting. The platform supports proactive hunting efforts with query tools designed for deep exploration of historical and real-time data, machine learning models to uncover unknown threats, collaboration features that enable teams to document and share findings. 5. Scalability and performance. Devo is built to handle large-scale data environments, ensuring rapid ingestion and query performance, even in high-volume scenarios. Scalability to accommodate growing security needs as businesses evolve. 6. Empowering compliance and reporting. The platform simplifies compliance management by providing automated compliance reporting tailored to standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. Offering detailed audit trails to demonstrate due diligence in security efforts. Devo Security Data Platform in action, real-world use cases that shine. The Devo Security Data Platform is designed to provide advanced security analytics, real-time threat detection, and incident response. Its flexibility and scalability make it ideal for addressing complex security challenges across industries. Here are some real-world use cases where Devo shines. 1. Threat hunting and incident response. Challenge: a financial institution faced advanced persistent threats, APTs, and needed a proactive threat hunting platform. Solution: Devo's high-speed ingestion and analytics capabilities allowed the institution to ingest massive volumes of security data in real time. Security teams used advanced correlation and machine learning models to identify anomalous patterns indicative of APTs. Outcome: faster identification and containment of threats, reducing dwell time from days to hours. 2. Compliance reporting and monitoring. Challenge: a retail company needed to meet stringent PCI-DSS requirements for its payment systems. Solution: Devo helped centralize security logs, ensuring complete visibility and providing automated compliance reporting with dashboards tailored for auditors. Outcome: simplified compliance process with reduced manual effort and greater confidence in audit readiness. 3. SOC modernization. Challenge: a manufacturing firm struggled with an overwhelmed Security Operations Center (SOC) due to alert fatigue and siloed tools. Solution: Devo provided unified visibility across their on-premises and cloud environments, leveraging machine learning to reduce false positives and prioritize critical alerts. Outcome: improved analyst efficiency, with a 40% reduction in mean time to respond, MTTR. 4. Insider threat detection. Challenge: a healthcare organization needed to monitor insider activity without violating employee privacy. Solution: using Devo's behavioral analytics, the organization tracked unusual patterns in file access and data transfer without directly monitoring personal communications. Outcome: early detection of an insider attempting to exfiltrate sensitive patient data, ensuring compliance with HIPAA regulations. 5. Cloud security monitoring. Challenge: a tech company had multi-cloud infrastructure with disparate monitoring tools leading to gaps in security visibility. Solution: Devo seamlessly integrated data from AWS, Azure, and GCP into a single pane of glass, applying automated detection rules and anomaly detection algorithms. Outcome: enhanced cloud security posture and rapid identification of misconfigurations and threats. 6. IoT security and anomaly detection. Challenge: a smart city project required robust monitoring of IoT devices for potential security breaches. Solution: Devo enabled ingestion of logs and telemetry from IoT devices at scale, detecting anomalies in network traffic indicative of botnet activity. Outcome: timely mitigation of botnet attempts, ensuring uninterrupted services for citizens. Breaking down silos: how Devo security data platform ensures seamless integration. Breaking down silos in modern IT and security environments is critical for improving efficiency, visibility, and collaboration. The Devo Security Data Platform is designed to address these challenges by offering seamless integration and unified data management. Here's how it achieves this. 1. Unified data ingestion. Devo enables the collection of data from multiple sources, including cloud platforms, on-premises systems, and third-party tools. This ensures that all relevant data is available in one place, breaking down data silos. supported sources, network traffic logs, endpoint data, security tools, cloud services, and business applications. Real-time streaming, Devo ingests data in real time, enabling immediate analysis and action. 2. Open Integration Framework. The platform's open integration framework allows seamless connection with existing IT and security ecosystems. API support provides extensive APIs for custom integrations. Out-of-the-box connectors, pre-built integrations with tools like SIEMs, SOA platforms, and ITSM solutions. Flexibility, support for standard formats such as JSON, CSV, and syslog ensures compatibility. 3. Centralized analysis and correlation. By centralizing data, Devo facilitates comprehensive analysis and cross-tool correlation. Unified dashboard brings all data into a single interface. Automated correlation detects patterns and relationships across datasets from different sources. Advanced analytics, AI and machine learning models provide insights into anomalies and threats. 4. Collaboration and workflows. Devo enhances team collaboration by integrating with tools like ServiceNow, Jira, and Slack. Incident sharing allows seamless sharing of incidents and alerts across teams. Custom workflows enables the creation of workflows that span multiple tools and teams, promoting efficient incident response. Role-based access ensures data is accessible to the right people while maintaining security. 5. Scalability and performance. Devo is built on a cloud-native architecture that scales effortlessly to handle growing data volumes. High throughput processes large volumes of data without performance degradation. Elastic architecture adapts to workload changes, ensuring uninterrupted operations. Global accessibility, cloud deployment enables access from anywhere. 6. Security and compliance. The platform ensures secure data integration while maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements. Encryption, data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Audit trails, detailed logging and auditing capabilities. Regulatory compliance meets standards like GDPR, HIPAA, and ISO 27001. 7. Continuous updates and innovation. Devo stays ahead with continuous updates and feature enhancements. Regular patches ensures integration points remain secure and functional. New features frequently released to meet evolving integration needs. Why choose ProExcellency for Devo Security Data Platform online training? ProExcellency is known for delivering high-quality professional training programs, including those for the Devo Security Data Platform. Here are some reasons to choose ProExcellency for your online training. 1. Expert trainers. Courses are led by experienced professionals with deep knowledge of the Devo Security Data Platform and its practical applications. Trainers often bring real-world insights to help bridge the gap between theory and practice. 2. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers key features of the Devo platform, including data ingestion, analytics, threat detection, and incident response. Tailored content ensures participants gain both technical and operational expertise in using the platform. 3. Hands-on learning. Practical sessions with live projects and real-world scenarios are a part of the training. Participants gain confidence in handling security data and implementing solutions in a simulated environment. 4. Flexibility. Online training provides flexibility in scheduling, allowing working professionals to balance their learning and job responsibilities. Access to recorded sessions enables participants to revisit content at their convenience. 5. Supportive learning environment. ProExcellency ensures one-on-one mentoring and post-training support. Doubt-clearing sessions and resources help participants understand complex topics thoroughly. 6. Certification preparation. The training is aligned with industry standards and prepares participants for DEVO certification exams. Earning certifications can boost career prospects and validate expertise in the field of security data analysis. 7. Affordable pricing. Competitive pricing ensures value for money without compromising on the quality of the training. 8. Global reach. ProExcellency's online training is accessible to learners worldwide, enabling participants to connect with a diverse group of peers. Thank you.